Hi everyone, so today we're gonna do risers. So we're gonna fit this PRV in the riser. So the tube valve and a valve on top and drain off. It's gonna come like that. It's gonna be. I'm gonna show you in the riser in a minute. So I cut all this piece, copper, and a small piece over there. Same this side, and I'm gonna solder now. Alright, so it's all ready for solder. I give it a clean with the wire all, and I put solder in. I'm gonna solder now. Yeah. So basically, see that? And this one is don't have that. With the blade, I'm gonna scratch that thread because it's much properly when you put the Loctite. The Loctite, he can stick on that. If you don't scratch it, you might have a leak, but I don't know. So I'm gonna prep for Loctite, and I'm gonna show you in a minute what it's gonna be. So all done. Solder. Give it a clean, nice clean. All done. And Loctite. All prep for tighten up. So now it's all done. Solder, tighten up. This is how I like it to do. When I tie the nut into the valve, I like it to see one thread or maybe two. See? And I like to clean the Loctite. This is Loctite 55, what I use. So, two threads over here, and drain off, and the long pipe, and yeah, all done. Just I want to show you something, guys. Have a look what I do over here. Alright, so this is done. So now I'm gonna show you how you gonna put the pipe on the wall. So basically this is, you're gonna use nuts, zaps, square plate, stud, clips, blocks. So you're gonna make it all together like that. So zaps, square plate, nuts, and you're gonna put in, and from here it's gonna be pipe in like that. And you're gonna put in the unistraw first, and after you're gonna put this one. So basically you're gonna put like that. So you're gonna put this one, you're gonna put it in, and you're gonna tie it down. That's it. This is how it's done. So something like that. You're gonna put this one on the wall, of course. Alright, so I'm gonna fix from here. This is the valve, and that is the pipe was coming from down below, and it's going up to the top floor. And this one, I'm gonna put the clips over there, and it's gonna connect in that T, which I'm gonna make a hole over there. So it's all done now. The clips into the place. nice and level, and that is the hole connected to the corridor, which is gonna go in a flat. All you can say, follow me and subscribe.